Hello bread lovers. This video can change how you think about your daily bread. European bread has earned a reputation for being healthier, more satisfying, and more authentic than American bread. What makes it different, and how can we get these benefits here in America? Let's break down the science, history, and practical tips for better bread. The fundamental differences. European bread traditions date back centuries, with techniques and recipes passed down through generations of bakers who prioritized quality, flavor, and nutrition. American bread, however, underwent significant industrialization during the 20th century, transforming what was once an artisanal food into a mass-produced product designed for convenience and shelf stability. Taste and texture are another huge distinction. European bread is known for its crispy crust, complex flavor, and chewy interior. Whether it's a rustic Italian ciabatta or a hearty German rye, every bite is an experience. Meanwhile, many American breads are soft, overly sweet, and lack the depth of flavor that comes from natural fermentation. Fermentation is the secret to better digestion. One of the biggest factors that set European bread apart is fermentation. European bakeries often allow their dough to ferment for 12 to 48 hours. This slow process breaks down gluten, making it easier to digest and enhances the bread's natural flavors. One critical difference lies in the wheat itself. European wheat generally consists of softer varieties with lower gluten content compared to the hard red wheat that dominates American production. Around 60% of U.S. wheat production is hard red wheat, while only 23% consists of soft wheat varieties. The hard red wheat grown in America contains more gluten and stronger gluten proteins, creating that light, fluffy texture common in American sandwich bread. European soft wheat produces bread with different texture and better digestibility. Ingredient concerns. Perhaps most concerning is the significant ingredient disparity. European bread typically follows a simple formula: flour, water, salt, and yeast. American commercial bread often contains a laundry list of additives, preservatives, and sweeteners. Most notably, European bread doesn't contain potassium bromate, a dough conditioner banned in Europe since 1990, as well as in Canada, China, India, and numerous other countries due to its classification as a possible carcinogen. This chemical, still permitted in American breads, has been linked to various cancers, thyroid disease, kidney damage, and other health concerns. Another troubling ingredient absent from European bread is high fructose corn syrup, HFCS. While Europeans consider bread a savory food, many American bread varieties contain significant amounts of HFCS as a sweetener and preservative. American bread typically contains substantially more sugar than European counterparts. This added sweetness has become so commonplace that many Americans don't even recognize it as unusual. The European bread philosophy. In Europe, the bread philosophy operates on a fundamentally different premise. Bread should be fresh, made daily, and consumed that day. Neighborhood bakeries remain common throughout Europe, with residents often making daily visits to purchase bread made that morning. The European approach emphasizes quality over longevity, flavor over convenience, and nutrition over additives. Health implications. The nutritional differences between European and American bread have significant implications for health, including gluten intolerance. European bread tends to be more nutritionally dense and less processed than typical American commercial bread. The continued use of potassium bromate in American bread products is concerning. This additive has been banned in Europe since 1990 due to its classification as a potential carcinogen. Studies have linked it to cancer development, particularly in the kidneys and thyroid, as well as DNA mutations. The softer European wheat varieties offer benefits for digestibility. Many people who experience discomfort with American bread products report being able to consume European bread without issues. The absence of high fructose corn syrup in European bread significantly impacts its nutritional profile. HFCS has been associated with various health concerns, including metabolic disorders, diabetes, and inflammation. Traditional fermentation methods, particularly sourdough fermentation common in European bread making, offer additional health benefits. The fermentation process partially breaks down gluten proteins and phytic acid, potentially making nutrients more bioavailable and the bread more digestible. Finding better bread in America. For Americans seeking healthier bread options, several pathways exist to incorporate European-style bread into their diets. Artisanal bakeries have experienced a renaissance in many American cities, offering traditionally made bread that more closely resembles European varieties. These small batch bakeries often use fewer ingredients, avoid additives, and employ longer fermentation times. In the US, commercial bread is often rushed through production, using high-speed mixing and artificial leavening to get loaves on the shelves as fast as possible. The result? bread that's harder to digest and often leads to bloating and discomfort. When shopping for commercial bread options, ask the baker or look for labels that explicitly state they do not contain bromated flour and contain no high fructose corn syrup. Making European-style bread at home. Home baking offers perhaps the most control over ingredients and processes. Making European-style bread at home allows bakers to avoid unnecessary additives, control sugar content, and experiment with different grains and fermentation methods. When making bread at home, consider using softer wheat varieties or flour blends with lower protein content. Sourdough baking represents another avenue for creating European-style bread at home. Maintaining a sourdough starter allows bakers to create bread with complex flavors and improved digestibility. European techniques for American kitchens. Adapting European bread techniques for American kitchens involves several key adjustments. First, select high-quality ingredients free from unnecessary additives. Use unbleached, unbromated flour without enrichments or conditioners. Look for organic flours when possible, as these avoid the glyphosate commonly used in conventional American wheat farming. European-style doughs tend to have higher hydration, more water relative to flour, which contributes to an open, irregular crumb structure and helps develop a crisp crust during baking. While a standard US bread dough might have a hydration level around 60%, European breads often range from 65% to 75% or higher, especially in artisan breads like ciabatta or sourdough. The baking environment also plays a crucial role. Professional bakeries use steam-injected ovens to create the crisp, shattering crusts characteristic of European loaves. Home bakers can approximate this environment by placing a pan of water in the oven during preheating, spraying the oven walls with water at the beginning of baking, or using a covered Dutch oven to trap steam during the initial baking period. Perhaps most importantly, allowing sufficient time for fermentation dramatically improves both flavor and digestibility. European baking traditions prioritize slow fermentation, which develops complex flavors and begins breaking down difficult-to-digest components of the grain. Good news for US bread lovers. The good news is that access to better bread continues to improve throughout the United States. The artisanal bread movement has reintroduced many European techniques to American bakeries, while home baking resources have never been more plentiful. The difference between European and American bread goes beyond mere preference or tradition. It reflects fundamentally different approaches to food, with meaningful implications for health and enjoyment. By reconnecting with slower, more intentional bread-making practices and rejecting unnecessary additives, Americans can reclaim this essential food as a source of nutrition, pleasure, and even cultural connection. If you have any favorite European bread recipes or tips for making healthier bread at home, please share them in the comments below. Your experiences and insights are invaluable to our community. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated on more health and wellness tips from Health Equals Wellness.